Hello, welcome to today's lesson. So in this lesson, we are going to draw a quadrilateral. We have a question that we're going to use to help us do that. So it reads, construct quadrilateral KFML in which KL is 8 centimeters, KF is equal to 4 centimeters, LM is equal to 9 centimeters. So we are just going to start and walk through this problem together. So like I always say that the first distance they give us, this is going to act as our base. So we're going to draw a straight line that is 8 centimeters. So shall we just start? So we're going to draw a straight line that is 8 centimeters. Place our ruler like that. We start from the 0 mark and then just do, okay, and then label this one. We're going to label it KL and it's 8 centimeters. Next it says KF is 4 centimeters. So from K to F, where is K? Is here. So there's some F. The distance is 4 centimeters. So we get our ruler and compass. We correct 4 centimeters. Once we do, we stand on K, and then what we're going to do is just swing an arc. That's it. Next it says LM is 9 centimeters. So from L to M is 9 centimeters. So we're going to correct 9 centimeters using a compass and from the ruler. So we just stand on L and then we swing an arc like that. Okay. Next it says the angle FKL. So FKL. So you remember that we said the distance from K to F is 4 centimeters. So F is from this side. So we're going to get our protractor, place it on this K, and then just make sure that this line here should flash out with our drawing. Then we open 62 degrees. So we are going to use the scale inside. So because this one, it starts from the other side. So the one that starts with, that reads 0 with this line is the inner scale. So we start 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So we are looking for 62. So 62 is, this is 60. 61, 62 is going to be at that point. So just put a mark. Okay, so what we're going to do is place a ruler like that. Place it in such a way that if we draw a straight line, it would pass through, it would go to the dot, but then we are not going to reach the dot. We just draw a straight line like that. Okay. Next it says the angle as well, KLM is 118 degrees. So KLM, so we measure 118. The angle is at L. So we place our protractor at L. So we have two scales. We have the one inside, the one. So we go for the one outside because that's the one that reads 0 with this line here. And we go all the way up to 118. So this is 120, 110, 120, 115, 116, 117, 118 is going to be here at this point. Okay, then we get our ruler, place it like that, then draw a straight line through the dot to the arc because it has to be 9 centimeters at the end of the day. So this is 9 centimeters. This one is 4 centimeters. Then we are just going to connect these 2 points because a quadrilateral is a 4-sided shape. So we connect these 2 points like that. Right, so this is the point M. and this is the point F. So that's it, we've drawn. The next part of the question says, measure and write the length FM. So we should measure and write the length of FM. So FM is here. We measure FM, and this is approximately 11.3. So this is 11.3 centimeters. So this is number, yeah, it's part of A. So FM is 11.3 centimeters. That's it. Okay, there, 11.3. Next, it says we are talking about number B. Inside the quadrilateral KFML, draw the locus of points which are number 1, 4 centimeters from L. Now, this type of equidistance, 4 centimeters from L. So, first of all, we are going to correct 4 centimeters. We correct 4 centimeters like this. Okay. Now, it says 4 centimeters from L. So we stand on L, and then we're just going to draw an arc. We can even start from outside, though they said inside, but the reason why I'm extending up outside so that I can just be able to write and say 4 centimeters from L. Now, I want you also to learn that when they say 4 centimeters from L, it's different from if that said, for example, 4 centimeters from maybe or KL. This was going to be different. So if they gave us 2 points, it means that line has to be parallel to the line that we have. So KL is this line here. So if they had said 4 centimeters from KL, we are going to draw a parallel line. But when they just give us a single point like 4 centimeters from L, it means it's going to be an arc. So that's one point I just wanted to clarify. Okay, yes. So like in this case, question 3, it says 3 centimeters from KL. You see that here we have 2 points. KL, we have the line already KL. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a parallel line, and between the parallel line that we are yet to draw and this KL, there must be a gap of 3 centimeters. So there are many ways of doing it. In the other problem, I just used a ruler. But if we want, we can also use a compass, and we correct to 3 centimeters. So this is 3 centimeters. So when you correct the 3 centimeters, what we're going to be doing is that I'm going to be standing on the line KL. So for example, I'll stand at this point, and then what I'm going to do is just make an arc or a mark. Okay, so again, I make an arc. I'll be moving away from the line, and then just make some marks. Okay, some marks like that. Once they're enough, then I get my ruler, place it like that, then just draw a line through these marks that I've been making. So where is my pencil? Okay. Yeah, there. So I'm going to label this one as 3 centimeters from KL. Now, I'm labeling not because it's necessary to label, but just for me to be able to remember that, because in the next question, this may be required, so it's important for me. Next, it says equidistance from MF and ML. Like I said in the other video that when you are given equidistance where it involves 4 points or 4 letters, then you go to the common letter and just bisect an angle at the common letter. So in this case, the common letter is M. You have M here, you have M there. So we bisect an angle at M. So M is here. So to bisect, just use the compass, just any radius. I'm just going to be cutting the lines that are going to M, and then just cut them. Yeah, so if you want, you can just swing an arc like that to cut. And then after you do that, then you'll be standing on this mark that I've made on the lines, on the point where I cut the line coming to LM. If I want, I can extend this, my compass, a little bit. If I want, I can still maintain it. So I've decided to extend for this point. Let me extend it even up to there. It doesn't matter where you extend it to. Then I'm also going to stand on the other side. Excuse me. Then just make a similar marks. So I've done that one. Then stand here. Okay, I think I've extended it too much. Let me just reduce it a bit. Okay, so make an arc, stand there, also do an arc. Let me just extend this a bit. Okay, so we are looking for a point where the two arcs are intersecting. So they're intersecting at this point. So I'm just going to draw a straight line from the point M through the point where the two arcs are intersecting. So that's my equidistance there. So next it says, C, given that PQ is a point inside the quadrilateral such that it is 4 centimeters from L, more than 3 centimeters from KL, and equidistant from MF and ML, label the point P. So it is more than 4 centimeters. It is inside the quadrilateral such that it is 4 centimeters from L. So it's 4 centimeters from L. So which means the same point is on the arc, the 4 centimeters from L. Then it is more than 3 centimeters from KL. So more than, it means it's found beyond. And it is also on the equidistance. So for the same point to be on the equidistance and again be on 4 centimeters from L. So it's going to be on this point because they said more than, because if they had said less than, it was going to be somewhere this side below. So the point is going to be here. So we just label it P. Then the next question says, that's D. Another point Q inside the quadrilateral is such that it is more than 3 centimeters from KL, less than 4 centimeters from L, and nearer to MF than to ML. Indicate by shading the region in which Q must lie. So let's go step by step. Point Q inside the quadrilateral is such that it is more than 3 centimeters from KL. So it's more than 3 centimeters from KL. More than KL is this one. The 3 centimeters from KL is this line here. So if it is more than, it's found beyond on that side. Okay, so it is also less than 3 centimeters from, it is less than, okay, so let me just bring back the question. So it is more than 3 centimeters from KL, less than 4 centimeters from L. So indicate clearly by shading. So less than 4 centimeters from L. So 4 centimeters from L is this line. So less, it means somewhere here. So this is going to be this point. So we just label it Q. So that's it. Thank you.